This house looks familiar.
Right? I mean, it looks really good.
Shay's taking us to see a potential new property, and it also just happens to be right next door to one of the first houses that we ever worked on in this neighborhood.
This is on the market right next door.
I love the exterior. It's got such cute curb appeal potential. I have plans for literally every house on the block.
Okay. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and it's 920 square feet.
How much did it cost?
It's a little higher, maybe like 10 times what you guys pay for the house next door.
What?
It's priced at $45,000. You just got the values just shooting through the roof.
What is this trailer here?
Whoever purchases this home is responsible for that trailer.
So it comes with
it's
it.
a package deal.
Okay.
The walls are there.
Walls are there,
And
the
there's a
floors
floor,
are there.
there's a subfloor.
For 45, there better be.
Well, not impressed with the carpet. But I am impressed with the molding.
And it's intact.
And the ceiling is intact.
I know, and there's no gross texture anywhere. This is awesome. What a great size space for
I
a living
agree.
room.
So here's the kitchen,
Oh, it's bigger than I would have thought.
right?
Oh, wow. This is great.
Yeah.
This is a phenomenal layout. Half the house is a kitchen.
Yeah.
I am totally down for that. Look at the counter space here. I like it. I like it a lot, actually.
Okay, so not the biggest bedroom.
Yeah, it's a wee bit tiny.
I've seen you guys do really cool things with small spaces, so get your creative juices going and think of something. So here's the bathroom. There's a bit of an issue here. It looks like it can be water damaged.
Yikes.
Yes, everything is rotten.
Oh my gosh.
It's all just
Mush.
mush.
45,000 with a bathroom like that.
A
That's
very,
not great.
very unpleasant surprise.
This is an odd-shaped room, actually.
It is. That's the coat closet, right?
Yeah.
That weird jet. Don't want to lose that.
What a poor design, though, to just take a big chunk out of the room. It's a weird shape. I'm gonna have to think on how to, like, lay it out, because I don't like it. So the house is definitely a little bit funky, and the bathroom is pretty worrisome, but it's on our block, and I would really like to do it if we can make the numbers work.
If we cap our reno budget at 25, then worst case at $85,000 sale price, we make a little bit of money. If it can go up to 95, then that's even better. So, I mean, it's doable.
It's doable.
It'll be tight.
We'll just have to
It's
really
doable.
pay attention to the pennies.
Yeah. Look at you with your sledge.
Yes.
Like a real man.
So we went ahead and bought the house for $45,000, and it comes with a huge bonus feature. So we had this camper left on the property. It would have cost a little bit to get rid of, but of course, I like a challenge and I like to do random weird things. So we kept it. At one time, these were some fancy cabinets. There's a lot that we have to discover. Shay had pointed out some of this water damage in the bathroom, and today is kind of our day of reckoning. We're trying to figure out if it's actually a problem or if maybe it's just some bad plaster work.
Oh my God.
That's really bad.
That's really, really bad.
I was really hoping that this water damage was isolated to a small area, but everything is rotted away.
Oh, my foot just went through to the basement.
Wow. That is so much water damage.
How is there water damage this far from a tub?
Never is.
Just so much water damage.
I just see money signs just all over that room. The whole bathroom is gonna have to be completely redone. Like there's nothing left in here. It's powder, dust to dust.
This is a total major budget buster. This will probably be several grand.
Once again, disaster. I gotta get my glasses.
They're on your head.
Oh, damn.
It's day 3 of construction, and we're still working on this bathroom. But we finally got the rod out and new floor and framing in.
so much nicer. Oh, a full brand new bathroom. That's awesome. Now that we've got the water damage fixed, I can finally start to kind of envision a design theme. This huge kitchen has really inspired me to make this our farmhouse. It'll have light neutral colors with a mix of textures throughout, thick butcher block countertops, classic white tile, and rustic accents. It should feel breezy and cozy, but entirely stylish. It looks good so far. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
So pretty. It's got like a touch of gray in it. Nice. Whenever I think of a farmhouse kitchen, I always think of open shelving. It's always light and airy. So I want to take the backsplash all the way to the ceiling, and then we'll do some raw wood shelving.
Not raw.
Well, not raw, but
It'll be sealed.
well, it'll be sealed, but it'll look like it's not sealed.
So matte sealer.
Okay, we can discuss sealers later. It'll be very industrial / farmhouse, so it should be really nice. Start at the top of the window so we know it's level. On these vintage campers, I think it's really important to try to preserve as much of the original look as possible. Switch out a few things just to give it a little bit of a modern touch, like the hardware for the cabinets. We had some leftover butcher block from the house, so it's, again, an opportunity for us to save a little bit of money with the excess. Unfortunately, due to time and budget, refinishing all the wood paneling in the camper is kind of out. So we gave it a fresh coat of peach paint, which is a beautiful vintage color, and painting the ceiling black means that we probably need to add some kind of design feature to break it up. So we're doing this really great wood slat feature all the way down the entire ceiling.
It's looking good.
Oh my gosh, I love it. So we're going to do a maybe not so traditional technique to get it painted. We're gonna spray paint it. So I wanna do the top this white, and then the bottom half will be a turquoise.
You're gonna follow the old line?
The original lightning bolt pattern on it.
Cool. There we go.
So much better.
We bought it for $45,000, and the renovation budget was $28,000. And we're listing it for $84,900.
Trish is here.
Trish is here?
Yeah. So we met Trish last year when we were renovating the house next door. So when her house came up for sale, it just made sense to purchase it so we can continue our work on the block. I can't wait to see Trish's reaction.
Hopefully she likes what we've done with her former house. Did we do good?
Yeah, I hope we did her justice.
Wow. This used to be all aluminum and very bland color. It's a total transformation. The colors are popping. Oh, and the blue door.
Thank you.
The woodwork is amazing. I love it. Good job.
Thank you.
This is not my old house. Oh, you can see straight through to the back. And Detroit, oh, it is amazing, guys.
This is very, very spacious. I wasn't really expecting it to be this size. The paint, I like the lighter paint because it brings out the room more, so it's really nice.
The floors, wow, the touches, they just look beautiful.
So here is the bathroom.
Subway tile, the mirrors, it's beautiful. This is perfect.
Yeah, and this is actually a hand-laid tile on the floor.
Yeah, that's a really good touch. I like it.
Oh, this sink is adorable. Looks great.
This is amazing.
Look at these countertops. And is he using the same subway tile that's in the bathroom? It's really tying everything together.
I feel like it's really, really open because you guys don't have any cabinets. The triangle, you can still say, hey, you know, what do you guys need? So that's nice.
I love every little inch of this.
Thank you. I can definitely see myself in this kitchen.
Oh my
It's so cute,
gosh,
right?
it's adorable.
And look, it's the same butcher block countertop from inside.
Wow.
The same flooring.
This is like a whole new house.
Yeah.
This is amazing, guys. One question.
What? Yes.
Does this come with the house?
Yes.
Totally.
When I grew up over here, it was really rough. And now the houses are being put back together. And now you see people moving back into the community.
There is not a single abandoned house on this block
No more.
anymore.
Yeah.
That is great. I need to just dance in the streets and say, block party!
Overall, I don't think we could have asked for a better open house.
I think that the amount of traffic that we had today, somebody hopefully will put an offer in and love this house as much as we do.